Good morning. We're going to start today with morning meeting. So we always start with the day of the week. This picture means day. Make our screen big. So today is. Does anyone know what today is? Today is Tuesday. Touch Tuesday.
Tuesday.
So let's say that in a sentence.
Today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. All right, this picture means month.
The month is.
The month is. So remember, this month had Mother's Day. So there's a picture of a mom and a baby. Can you find what month Mother's Day is in? May. Touch May.
May.
So let's say that in a sentence.
The month is May.
The month is May. Good job. The date is May 19th.
19th.
We're just moving on through May. So we'll say
the date is 19th.
The date is May 19th, 2020. All right, next is the weather. Remember, to know the weather, you need to go look outside. You can look out a window. Today's weather is cloudy, or it may be rainy when you're watching. So we're going to say, you can say cloudy or rainy.
Cloudy.
So touch one of those, and then we'll say it in a sentence.
The weather is cloudy.
The weather is cloudy. All right, this picture means temperature, so what it feels like outside. So
the temperature is.
The temperature is. I'm looking at the temperature, and it's about 60 degrees. So we can say today is warm. Touch warm.
Warm.
And then we can say that in a sentence.
The temperature is warm.
The temperature is warm. All right, good job, friends. So today is Tuesday, so you need to work on your IEP goals with your parents, and then you also need to do language arts, math, and science if you have time. And then our special areas for the day is life skills. All right, I hope you all have a great day. Bye.